We're pleased to present the Heartset workplace lighting products and accessories. With these two new work lights, Heartset is introducing a new product category to its extensive offering. These versatile work lights are designed for a wide range of uses, from DIY to car repair workshops and industrial facilities. These large work lights are available in two variants with 40 or 60 watts. Both versions feature a robust PU housing that can withstand heavy impacts. The aluminium elements incorporated into the housing provide improved heat dissipation. Both lights include a convenient handle that makes them easy to carry around. The base can be adjusted by up to 90 degrees, letting you set up the light as you need for the job at hand. The screw holes in the housing let you mount it onto any surface. On the rear, the light has a dimmer that lets you set the brightness as needed. The light blinks to let you know when you've reached the highest and lowest settings. This handy feature lets you know when you've reached maximum and minimum power without having to look at the display. The housing also features 1 or 2 230-volt power sockets, depending on the variant. This allows you to power other tools directly from your work light. Heartset workplace lighting products are ideal for building sites, repair shops, renovation or painting work, when you're moving house, and a huge range of other uses at work and at home. To make using these lighting products even more flexible, Heartset provides 3 accessories. The 1979 F-01 diffuser provides bright and even lighting across 360 degrees around the entire space. The diffuser is attached to the front of the light using a bayonet connection. The 1979 F-02 magnetic holder attaches your work light to metal surfaces and gives you more options when positioning your light. Last but not least, Heartset also offers a telescopic tripod stand, the 1979 F-03. This sturdy accessory provides an ultra-stable platform for your light. The height can be adjusted to between 120 and 185 centimeters. The cable guides prevent the tripod becoming tangled up when moving it around and keep cabling neatly tucked away to avoid any danger of tripping over. Let there be light. Workplace lighting made easy and flexible with the Heartset LED work lights.